Welcome to Sakmods. Today I've got a pretty simple build here. This one has brass scales. It's a single layer, single tool. In the middle here is just the one Victorinox blade. The blade is acid etched to give it that nice dark color. Has a single spring inside of here. On the back side here, it has a brass spacer on the middle, and then that brass spacer has a ridge inside of it to push against the spring inside so that the blade has nice tension to it. It does open and close nicely, nice snap. This one's a pretty simple build here. Well, that's it for this one. I do have more builds completed that I just need to make videos of. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those. And thank you for watching.